We're going to teach two sequences of shuffle. We're going to get over here. It starts with the lady on the outside. We're in promenade. Excuse my back, but it works better this way.
We're doing it?
It starts with the lady on the outside in promenade position. You do your weights on your left foot. You do 2 shuffle steps forward. 1 and 2, 2 and 2. A lady's turn on the next 2 shuffle steps. Then you're getting ready to do a windmill turn, starting with your next right shuffle, and it goes 4 and 5, 6 and 7. The lady comes across. You change hands up here. Okay, you end up with your weight on your left foot. That's 8 shuffles is what that uses up. Your weight's still on your left foot. You're going to do a heel, toe, heel, stomp. Kick, kick, stomp, stomp. Step, scoot, and turn. Step, scoot, and turn. Change of hands right there. And step, scoot. Your weight's on your right foot. Your left foot's up in the air. This is the hard part now. We're going to do more windmill turns, but we're going to be turning to the right. Both of us. Ready? And shuffle, shuffle. Now, ladies' turn. One more windmill. The lady comes out in front, and we start the final step pattern. And it is heel, toe, step, toe. The arm goes up at that point. Slap, touch, slap, stomp. At this point, hook arms, raise your outside arm up, and you're going hip, hip, out, out, in, out, step, step. And your right ends up on your left foot. You're ready to start the sequence over. Now it looks like this when you're doing it. I'll just count it here. Ready? 5, 4. Go. Shuffle, shuffle. Turn, windmill. Lady across. Heel, toe, heel, stomp. Kick, kick, stomp, stomp. Step, scoot, step, scoot, step, scoot, step, scoot. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Lady in front. Heel, toe, step. Slap leather. Hip, hip, out, out, in, out, step, step. Shuffle, shuffle. Lady turns. Windmill. Lady across. Heel, toe, heel, step. Kick, kick, stomp, stomp, step, scoot, step, scoot, step, scoot, step, scoot. Shuffle, shuffle, windmill. Lady's turn. Another windmill. Lady in front. Heel, toe, step. Slap, slap. Hip, hip, out, out, in, out, step, step, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, now both, we're always on the same foot, so we don't have to worry about that. The man's part is starting with a shuffle, shuffle. The lady does a lady's turn on the next 2 shuffles. Both of you turn to the left, do a windmill turn on the next 2 shuffles. The lady is brought across, change a hand on the next 2 shuffles. Then you start the heel, toe, heel, step. Kick, kick, stomp, stomp. Step, scoot, step, scoot. Change your hands here, gentlemen. You drop your left hand, get ready to pick it up behind. Step, scoot, step, scoot. Sorry about that. This hand, you end up with the left hand in front of the lady, the right hand by the man's belt in back. And you're going to start the reversed windmills with your left foot. Your weight's on your right foot. You're going to go both turn to the right. and you're going to go shuffle, shuffle. Now, ladies' turn, shuffle, shuffle. One more windmill, shuffle, shuffle. Bring the lady out in front on the next two shuffles. Change your hands so you have a hold of the thumbs here, and you're going to put your heel, toe, step, touch. At this point, raise your left hand up. Then you're going to do the slap leather, and it goes slap, touch, slap, stomp. At that point, change and hook arms and go hips together 2 times, hips away 2 times, hips together, hips away. Gentlemen do a step, step in place. Ladies are going to turn to their right and go back to their left and go back into line of dance. Step, step. At this point, you're ready to start over with your shuffle, shuffle.